Solarian Odyssey. A human whisper in the sun's heart. Close your eyes. Find the quiet space between your breaths, and allow the worries of the day to dissipate into the darkness. We stand at the launch pad of the mind, preparing for a voyage that is both scientifically epic and profoundly personal. Before we depart, take a moment to see it, our home, Earth, that fragile, vibrant sphere we call the blue marble. From this distance, the land masses blur, the clouds drift like gentle white brushstrokes, and the oceans pulse with an impossible, life-giving blue. It is a grain of cosmic sand, yet its atmosphere, a mere 100 kilometers thick, is a miracle of fragile shield that has fostered liquid water and the improbable phenomenon of life. This is the place from which we draw our strength, the tiny sanctuary we leave behind, propelled only by a single insatiable force, curiosity. We board the vessel the Whisper, named for the quiet certainty that the universe holds secrets waiting to be shared. Our destination is the very source of our planet's life and light, the Sun. Part 1. Through the solar system's veil, our journey begins, swift and silent. We fly past Mars, observing its canyons Valles Marineris, a monumental scar dwarfing anything on Earth, a reminder that even our seemingly vast world has neighbors of staggering scale. We pass the asteroid belt, a floating rubble of untold worlds that never quite formed, a testament to Jupiter's gravitational dominance. Jupiter, a colossal tapestry of storms, a planet so immense you could fit all other planets in the solar system inside it, with room to spare. Its swirling bands of gas are a continuous ancient weather pattern, a beautiful chaos. The closer we get to the Sun, the more its overwhelming power clarifies the true measure of our solar system. We are entering the Sun's gravitational kingdom. Its influence is a palpable force, stretching far beyond what we consider the solar system's edge. This region, where the Sun's wind still reigns, is where the silence becomes deeper, the light sharper. The Sun grows, no longer a friendly orb, but a towering, plasma-veiled deity. Part 2. Decoding the Sun's heartbeat, the Whisper's advanced shields shimmer, deflecting the continuous stream of charged particles, known as the solar wind. We are nearing the photosphere, the visible surface, a furious, boiling ocean of superheated gas. As we approach the invisible layers, our primary mission begins. Helioseismology. Just as geologists use sound waves to probe Earth's interior, we use the Sun's own acoustic oscillations, its sound waves, to map its deep structure. Listen closely. It's not silence. It's a deep, continuous cosmic hum, the sound of matter and energy clashing. The Sun is singing its own history. Our sensors plunge through the corona, that ghostly, superheated outer atmosphere whose temperature spikes unexpectedly, one of the Sun's great unsolved mysteries. Deeper still, we reach the convection zone, where immense columns of plasma rise and fall like giant, molten cells, constantly stirring the star's magnetic field. Finally, the core. Here, hydrogen fuses into helium, releasing photons, the particles of light that will take tens of thousands of years to fight their way to the surface and reach Earth. It's in this powerful heart that we detect the anomaly, an unnaturally structured rhythmic pulse, a subtle variation in the standard acoustic oscillations. It's too complex to be random turbulence. It is a signature, a message. Part 3. The interstellar bridge. Gravitational lensing analysis confirms our incredible finding. This rhythmic pulse is not generated within the Sun. The Sun is receiving it and acting as an amplifier. Think of the Sun's immense gravity. According to Einstein, massive objects warp the fabric of spacetime, acting like a lens. This is gravitational lensing. The Sun's mass is so vast that it can focus and magnify radio waves and signals traveling from unimaginable distances. The Sun, our closest star, is being used by something or someone else as a colossal natural telescope or communication relay. We follow the trajectory of the amplified signal backward tracing its path across the spiral arm of the Milky Way past. Nebulas that glow with the elements of future life, and through regions dominated by the invisible scaffolding of dark matter. The signal leads us to a cluster of stars in a neighboring galaxy, an elliptical galaxy, quiet and ancient, utterly unlike our spiral home. The source is a massive red giant, a star nearing its magnificent cataclysmic end. It's a star whose life cycle is 1 billion years longer than our sun's. Could the beings near this dying giant be sending a final, timeless message through the cosmic network, warning or simply recording their existence for the vast future? This revelation is breathtaking. Our familiar, life-giving star is merely a node in a network of cosmic communication, a quiet relay point connecting our tiny solar system to the great, sprawling consciousness of the universe. Part 4. The true scale, tiny Earth, infinite man. We pull back, far away from the sun, its core secret confirmed. We gaze upon our home galaxy, the Milky Way. It contains hundreds of billions of stars. Yet it is just one galaxy in a universe containing an estimated 2 trillion galaxies. The distance we just virtually traversed, from Earth to the sun's core, is less than a flicker of dust compared to the scale of the cosmos. Imagine the neutron star, a stellar remnant, so dense a single teaspoon of its material would weigh more than Mount Everest. Imagine the colossal black holes at the center of every galaxy, silently dictating the movement of billions of suns. It is here, facing this unimaginable grandeur, that the human heart feels its profound aching smallness. But let this feeling not be despair. Let it be awe. This journey has proved the ultimate paradox. We are tiny, but we are the universe's self-awareness. Every atom in your body, the carbon in your DNA, the iron in your blood, was forged in the furnace of a dying star billions of years ago. You are literally stardust that has organized itself to ask, where do I come from? What is the sun saying? We, the microscopic human species, created the mathematics, the technology, and the will to decode the cosmic heartbeat of a star 150 million kilometers away and trace its message across billions of light years. Our physical bodies may be fragile, but the strength of our consciousness, our boundless curiosity, our ability to connect, and our unwavering need to explore is the single most potent force in the cosmos. Rest now, with the sun's secret in your heart. You are small, yes, but your smallness contains the potential to comprehend infinity. You are a human whisper in the sun's heart, and your journey has just begun. Drift now into deep sleep, knowing that you are made of the stars, connected to all things, and are infinitely strong.